So today you're gonna go shopping for the perfect front load laundry set. You don't even know what questions to ask, right? So walking through the door, what you're gonna wanna come in with is gonna be your dimensions. Not necessarily of your existing laundry, although that could help, but the space where they're ultimately going to land. Are they side by side? Are they stacked? Do you have a unitized laundry center? Do you have a vent to the outside? Is your dryer gas or electric? These are all really important questions to have the answers to when you go shopping. Beyond that, once you know all of those parameters that are going to not necessarily corner you, but make some decisions for you, an important thing to ask is going to be, what functions and what features are the most important to me? In this day and age, pets are a very hot topic whenever it comes to laundry. Speed Queen is going to have a Pet Pro kind of machine that is going to wick away that dog hair, cat hair, whatever kind of animal you have. Maytag also is going to have a filter built into the baffle of that front load machine that's going to wick away the dog and cat hair for you and allow you to clean that out after every cycle. That way you're not going to be blocking up your pump, getting your gasket and your boot all nasty. If you don't upkeep your machine, which we really hope that you do, but if you don't, this can be a game changer in not needing to get repairs as often on a machine in a pet household. Outside of that, as you can see here, there's a lot of color in laundry these days. We have volcano black, we have matte black, we have diamond gray, we have sapphire blue, there's emerald green. There's white, obviously. You have some silvers. There you have some reds. There's a lot of finishes in laundry nowadays too. And in this design community where a lot of pops of color are coming in a lot of the main areas in the house, we are seeing an uptick in non-white colored laundry whenever it comes to just overall sales. So beyond the features, you know, the pet systems and things of that nature, you have some machines like GE and Whirlpool that are actually adding in antimicrobial liners and technology into their machines. So when you go through a GE machine or you go through a Whirlpool machine, you're gonna see treated surfaces on your boot, which is the gasket to your door, inside of your detergent tray, on your rear drain, on the drain pump, all the way through your drain hose. So anywhere that water collects in a front load machine, that's where it's going to be treated to try to make sure that mold and mildew just does not happen. In addition to that antimicrobial liner, you're also going to see these machines adding in a fan inside of the washing machine drum that's actually going to begin drying out that gasket for you, that drum for you, and even the clothes as well. These machines are going to have like an overnight wash and dry system. If you so need it, let's just say, you know, a round robin tournament on Saturday and then another one on Sunday, that uniform can go in at bedtime and come out for a very quick dry in the morning because it tumbled and had that fan dry all night. Outside of that, another important thing is capacity. A lot of customers are going to walk in here and ask, where's your biggest washer? And biggest doesn't necessarily mean it's going to fit the most or clean the best necessarily. But you have front load machines getting up into 5.8, 6.0 cubic feet. You have dryers get up to 9 cubic feet. You can get very, very large, but that's not necessarily going to convey over into the best cleaning when you're packing those things full. You never want to load a front load washer more than 2/3 of the way in the drum so there's room for it to tumble. All in all, there's millions of options at this point whenever it comes to shopping for front load laundry, and whether it's the color, the fuel type, the way it's going to be installed, the technology within it, whatever's driving your purchase decision will help you make that decision a lot easier.